Sometimes we replace the letter D with a glottal stop. A glottal stop. What's that? When we perform a glottal stop, we stop the air, stop the air in our throat. And then we release the air. Why don't you try that with me? And that's a glottal stop. Simple. And that's how we talk sometimes when we speak English. Now, glottal stops are very common when the letter D is followed by the letter N. Let's look at some examples. Sadness. Sadness. Now let's try saying that word again, but let's replace the letter D with a glottal stop. Stop the air in your throat after the letter A. Sa. And then release the air and say ness. Let's try it. Sadness. 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 We replace the letter D with a glottal stop. It sounds more natural that way. Let's try another one. Hidden. 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 Let's say it again, but this time let's replace the D with a glottal stop. Stop the air in your throat after the letter I. Then release the air, making the sound N. N. That's the sound the letter N makes. N. To make that sound, the tip of your tongue touches the top of your mouth. A little bit behind your teeth. Then release the air. Mm, mm. Let's give it a try. Hit, mm, hit, mm, hit, mm, hidden, hidden. We replaced the letter D and the letter E with a glottal stop. Hidden. It sounds more natural that way. Garden. Garden. Let's say it again, but let's replace the letter D with a glottal stop. Stop the air in your throat after the AR. Gar. Gar. Then release the air with an N sound. Mm. Mm. Let's try it. Garden. 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 We replaced the D and the E with a glottal stop. Garden. It sounds more natural that way. Now, the glottal stop can also be used sometimes when the letter D is at the end of a word. Let's look at an example. Bad. bad. Now, if you pronounce the D, that's okay. Bad. That's natural. But sometimes we replace the D at the end with a glottal stop. Bad. Bad. My English is so bad. No, it's not. Your English is good. Good. Well, what do you think? Are glottal stops easy or are they hard? Practice makes perfect.